Hi guys, I'm back with a new video about Raspberry Pi and temperature sensors. Today we will use the Texas temperature sensor 18B20. A very short tutorial you can find on my website kalinchurch.uk. Okay, and the latest post is Raspberry Pi and 1820. It's very easy to make a script and read the temperature. First, you will need to configure your Raspberry Pi for one wire communication. You go to the settings very fast, go to interfaces and enable the one wire. That's it. Then you can try to do this on the terminal. Copy. That will be a same result. Open a terminal. Okay, paste. Okay, navigate with the arrows, interface, and one wire. Yeah. Tab, select, enable or disable what you wish to do, and on this situation will ask you to restart the Raspberry Pi. I already done it. Does not ask me this. Let me double check to see if it stays connected. Activated. Yeah, it's there. Perfect. Okay, then be sure you have those library installed, and the next step will be to do your script. Okay, I like to use this Genie programmer. Looks very nice, and if you go to the web page, just copy and paste. Simple like that. Save as. Okay, and I will name it temperature. I don't need the capital letters. Temperature dot pi. Save. Okay. Now we import the libraries. We read the temperature, the data from the sensor. We print the results. Now we just read the temperature. Display the temperature in Celsius. Transform the temperature from Celsius in Fahrenheit. That's the formula. Print the result in Kelvin. This is the formula, and print. That's it. Open a terminal, and we had sudo Python 3 and temperature dot py, and that's it. Simple like that, and we can read the temperature. Okay, temperature sensor needs to be connected to the GPIO 4, the pin number 7. You have to use a 4.7 kilo ohm resistor. Part of this script we will use it later on onto the next video about Raspberry Pi and Loxone. How can we read the temperature and import it to Loxone. Thank you very much, and see you soon. Bye bye.